Alright girls, here is the notification shout out. These are the first 3 people who commented on my last video. As usual, I want to say thank you to all of those who took the time out to have their notifications on so you guys can know when I upload a video. And thank you for the first 3 people to comment on my last video. If you want a chance to be in my shout out, just be the first 3 to comment on my video, and by that you should have your notification bell on to all and you'll be notified when I upload a video. So thank you again, and let's get into this video. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing my Your Nail Lab in a Box by Macart. This is what the card looked like, and this is in collaboration with Natali Carmona. She is a YouTuber who does acrylic nails on YouTube, so make sure you check her channel out. This is what her card looks like on the other side, and you can also get a discount code using her discount code and you get 15% off, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, this is what the other side looks like, and congratulations to you, girl, for getting your collab with Macart. So the first thing that I'm taking out of the box are the rhinestone pieces. This is I don't know if they're AB or regular. I think they're AB, but they come in different shapes and sizes. And we have on one side, we have just the regular schmegular little dots, and then on one side we have different shapes. But yeah, these are AB-ish type crystals. So we have all of these are all the same sizes. And then on the other side we have little kites, we have diamonds, we have hearts, we have little wavy pattern, I don't know what it's called, but we have those, teardrops, etc., as you can see. And these are very pretty, but I feel like we had them already in a box. I don't know, I'm not sure, but yeah. So the next thing out of the box that I am pulling out is this acrylic brush. And if y'all know me, y'all know I do not do acrylic, but it says for poly extension gel acrylic nail. Don't know what that means, but this is a number 12 brush. This is supposed to be used for acrylic, because if you did not know, Macart is now selling acrylic on their site. So yeah, that is pretty new. So this is the acrylic brush that it came with in this box, and I really like the brush. I don't do acrylic because I can't stand the smell of monomer, but this is a pretty brush. I like the glitter that's inside. When you move it, the glitter moves. This is what the packaging looks like. And yeah, the brush is hard at the tips, so you have to glue. I think it's glue, but you just have to undo it and then just clean it off so you get the glue residue or whatever it is that keeps it stuck together on. And yeah, it's very pretty, very cute. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I can't use it for polygel, so, and I just broke it open, so it might be in a giveaway, it might not, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what the brush looks like close up. And y'all, I don't know why I got my box late, but I got it super late, so I'm not even going to attempt to do a nail design with it. I'm sorry. Sorry. Actually, nope, I'm not. But yeah, the next item that we have in the box is this gel polish. It looks like this, and I'm going to take it out of the packaging, which I should have done for the sake of the video. But this is what the packaging looks like. Regular schmegular Macart gel polish. This is in the shade ginger, and to me the color did not represent the color that is on the sticker of the thing, but this is what the swatch looks like that I already done off of camera. It looked a little more pinky to me than it did on the it's not matching to me, but yeah, it's still a very pretty color. I'm gonna just put it down so maybe you can see it a little bit better. And that is what it looks like from far away. Yeah, see, it still doesn't match, but yeah, that is that. And I think it is 8 milliliters inside the bottle. And we have this other gel polish. This is a pink one, and I thought that this one was really pretty. And this one I also did a swatch off camera for the sake of time for the video, but as usual, this is what this one looks like, and this is in the shade Sprinkles. I thought that it would have some sort of shimmer to it when it was the name Sprinkles, but as you can see with this swatch stick that I'm about to put on the tip, it is not. It is just a regular baby bubblegum doll pink, and again, doesn't match the sticker, but it is still pink, so I'm okay with that. I also want to see how you guys were doing. I hope wherever you're at in the world, your day is going good. So the next item in the box is this polygel, and this one I have been waiting for because polygel Vic, she uses it all the time. It's one of her all-time favorite polygels to use from Macarts, and I am so glad that I got this one because it beats the hell out of that light pink that I have been using. But yeah, I'm just getting it out of the packaging right now, and this is the packaging right here. As usual, it is in the same bubble wrap that it's always in and the same size that it's always in. So this is what the polygel looks like. This is in the shade A Siesta, or it's Siesta. I don't care. A Siesta, A Siesta. But yeah, this is what this one looks like. It is sealed, so that is another plus. And this one is a very good nude color. It matches a lot of color tone of the nail plates for different people. So I thought that this was very nice. And this is what the swatch looks like on my top. I did not feel like swatching it on a tissue paper, but this is it right here, and it is super pretty and pigmented, and a little bit will go a long way to covering up a nail bed. I feel like in this box it should have had more polygel, but y'all, this is it for the polygel. That usually has 2 polygels, but since we are going into a new collab, she does acrylic, and Macart is introducing acrylic. Here is the first acrylic product. This is their first line of acrylic powders, and it is in 2 ounces. It's their acrylic powder. This is what the packaging looks like. It is nice and taped up, so that is good. And the name is, well, it doesn't have a name for this one. I don't see it, but yeah, this is what the packaging looks like, and I'm just going to open it up. I'm not going to open it up because I'm putting it in a giveaway for you guys, because as I said, I do not use acrylic, so one of you or 2 lucky ladies will be getting this acrylic powder. And this is the second acrylic powder that it came in. Again, 2 ounces. This is a pink one, and if I used acrylic, I would be happy to have it, but I don't use acrylic. I know people are saying I could do the dip method with it, but yeah, this one is called Pinky Promise. This is in 2 ounces. This is the packaging. Maybe later on I'll do dip, but right now I just want to focus on doing polygel and mastering polygel, or getting used to using polygel before I even jump to doing other things. So yeah, these are the 2 acrylic powders that are new to their line that they are now having on their site. So if you're interested in that, go check out Macart's site. And the next thing that I got in my box are these pump up nails, and these are half cover tips, and these are their coffin tips, I want to say. I can't remember if they're coffin tips, but yeah, I'm opening that right now. Sorry that I'm taking so long, but as I was saying, I hope wherever you are in the world, everything is going good. Your health is good. Everybody is good. Family is good. But yeah, these are what these tips look like as I try to open the box. These are their French tips. There we go. These are their French tips, and as usual, it has 2XL. I'm so sorry, y'all. 2XL, 240 pieces in 12 different sizes. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the nail looks like. It has a super C curve to it, and I'm not really fond of C curves, so yeah, I don't know. I might still try them anyway, or just use them on some other cover tips and make them full cover tips. I don't know. But anyway, as usual, the packages of the nail tips always come with some nail glue, which always come 4 in a pack, and their nail glue is super good as well. And it also comes with 180 grits hand file, mini hand file, And yeah, so this is what the nail tips look like up close and personal, up against a nail, so you guys can see for reference right here. This is what that looks like, and that is pretty long. So yeah, I don't know, I might do a long set one day. I don't know, y'all want to see a long set from me? Let me know down below if y'all want to see a long set, or thumbs up this video so I know y'all want to see a long set from your girl, because I'm usually a medium length girl or a short length girl, but y'all making these long nails look good now. I'm gonna let y'all know that y'all making them look good. So I'm gonna try me a long set. My next nail set will probably be a long set, not the one coming up, but the one after that will probably be a long set. But yeah, so I think these are all the items that I got out of the Macart Your Nail Lab in a Box and collab with Natali Carmona. This is all the items that I got. My favorite one out of all of them would have to be, of course, the ACS, the poly gel. And I guess the brush, because it's pretty. But yeah, the brush is pretty. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are oldie but goodie, make sure you comment and like the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that?